Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of a really cool Princess telephone. This is a great color, and it's really a cool telephone. This is Andy's telephone from New Jersey, and basically he's going to set this telephone up for his girlfriend and send it to her. And I'll show you a little, in an earlier video we showed you that he had made a card, a number card that looked like it came from the phone company, and it has the telephone number that his girlfriend had when she was a young girl in Kirkwood, Missouri. So it has a 314 area code. That's really a special touch to the telephone. That's a great ideal, and it just gives it that added touch, and it's really cool. In an earlier video we showed some of the problems that this telephone had. There was a problem with the bell, and then there was some problems in the connection here, and we didn't have the splitter here on an earlier video because we hadn't gotten to that point yet. Basically what happens here is they were feeding the voltage into the port here for the telephone, and it was going back up through the telephone line cord, the original line cord. Basically what we did was we notched out this jack so that this original line cord could sit in there, and it would be a nice clean look. You don't want the cord just kind of hanging out of the jack in just any position. It just looks tacky, and so we've got a nice clean look here now with the telephone jack. And anyway, we didn't know if this telephone was going to be hardwired or whatever, how they were going to hook it up to the telephone line, since the port was being utilized for the original transformer to light the light. And this original transformer is on a modular line cord. So anyway, basically what happened was, since we found out that this telephone wasn't going to be really hardwired because his girlfriend was going to be just simply plugging it up to a line, Andy said, can we use like a splitter? And I said, well, we'll give it a shot. And here we go. The splitter works out just fine. We'll plug this in, and you can see the light has come on, and I'm going to feed the phone dial tone. So it worked out great, and you can't get it wrong. If you took this power to the telephone, you see the light went out, and then you can plug the line cord in either side and your telephone's going to work. It isn't going to matter. And same thing with the voltage to the telephone for the light bulb. Isn't going to matter which side you use. Both sides will work. So now you can simply plug any line cord you want up to this telephone and run it over to a jack and plug it in, and you should be okay. So that kind of takes care of all that. Now basically what we want to do, since we have dial tone to the telephone, is we want to dial our numbers out. So we know all of our numbers work. We know the telephone is going to ring. We'll get a couple of rings. I'm going to go ahead and plug it over into a line, and basically what we're going to do here is we're going to call, say, a time and temp number.
Good afternoon. Ford, drive one and you'll know at Laufenberg Ford at Belleville and O'Fallon. Today is Saturday, February 19th. The time is 3:34. Current temperature 59 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Cooler today, mostly cloudy skies, a chance of light rain, highs around 50. Mostly cloudy tonight, lows in the lower 40s.
So now that we know the telephone is in working condition, and I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to check the modulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time you see that red indicator light on the analyzer, that shows 100% modulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know everything is working. We know our light is working, and we know our switch to our light. There's a switch back here, and this switch is for a night light. So you can see in one position the light is on, but when you hang up, the light goes off. And so basically what that would be is if you lifted up the handset, your keypad would work, and then you could dial out. In the other position, it's used as a night light, and if you hang up, the light still stays on. So it's a really cool telephone, and everything is working, and it's all original. I don't know if you noticed this or not, but this is a 10-key keypad. There's only 10 keys here. The star and the pound is missing. This is a pretty nice keypad here, because what happens is a lot of people are looking for these. It's the 10 key, and it's before they added the star and the pound, so it was kind of caught in the middle on a manufacturing point. And so these are really sought after, these 10 key keypads. The people just looking all over for them, and you know that you're used to seeing the star and the pound, but it's gone. So that makes this telephone worth more money. Basically, with them 2 keys missing, that makes this phone a very sought-after phone. And this phone is really sought after to begin with, but to have a 10 key is just really cool. And there you go. It's just a really neat thing. So I think anybody would want that telephone. I'm sure of it. So anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.